Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a reaction channel, and this video I'm reacting on something in the news that I recently reported. Now, going through the news lately, let me tell you, Jamaica's crime stories are getting wilder than a soap opera, written by Shonda Rhimes after drinking 3 Red Bulls. So apparently the police have caught the woman suspected to be the mastermind of the deadly ambush on the cops' family. And where did they find her? At a guest house in Red Grounds, Hanover. Because of course, when you're in the criminal mastermind, the first thing you do after plotting a crime is book a staycation. Yes, officer, I'd like a room with a view of the nearest exit. I must so them I think. Because they don't think that the officer go find them. You know, I'm starting to think Jamaica's criminals are taking notes from Netflix shows. If I just hide out at a guest house, no one will ever catch me. Meanwhile, the police are like, "Ma'am, we found you because you checked in with your real name and use your Digicel points." And did you hear about these gangsters? Everybody's got a nickname, like Zulu, Fraz. At this point, I'm convinced you can't join a gang unless you have got a name that sounds like a failed dancehall artist or an expired energy drink. Yeah. This is my brethren, Hot Skull and Cool Breeze. We run things. That's how the gang them move now. Everybody have a name. Now, she hired the gang. The police kill 3 of them. Catch them. Kill them. $100,000 she paid, this woman paid them to take out the family. They were in some kind of business and she don't want pay up or whatever it is. She take them out. She pay $100,000, 3 people, and look, the 3 of them lose them lives over $100,000. You know, growing up, I always wanted a cool nickname. My friends called me Sleepy, not because I was dangerous, but because I could fall asleep anywhere. School, church, even in the middle of a family argument. If that was a gang name, I'd probably be the getaway driver who stopped at the light and took a nap. Now, the police in St. James must be tired, man. Every day, it's another shootout, another illegal firearm. I bet their WhatsApp group is just voice notes. Boss, me can't make it today. Me car run out of gas, running down Frost last night. It's just work for the policeman them in a St. James. Every day, there's a major crime there. This case is wild, but it kind of reminds me of the Leona Bradshaw case. Crazy plot twist, family drama, and everybody shocked at the end. Jamaica's true crime stories are so intense. Next, Netflix should just set up a camera in a Salt Spring and call it Narcos, Montego Bay Edition. But on a serious note, shout out to the police for doing their job. And to everyone out there, let's keep safe and look out for each other. And if your business associate suddenly wants to meet you at a guest house in Hanover, maybe just Zoom call her instead. Guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And remember, stay safe, not sorry.